creating lessons in HoloTutor just got a whole lot easier. Previously, building a lesson in Creator Studio meant doing everything manually, from structuring content to organizing materials. It worked, but it took time. Now, with the new and improved Creator Studio, you can generate complete lessons in seconds. Simply plug in your content, whether it's a prompt, PDF, syllabus, video, or slide deck, and HoloTutor does the rest. It automatically transforms your material into a structured, engaging lesson tailored to your topic. Once the lesson is done generating, you can make modifications to the lesson in the editor, which you can see here. Your lesson is fully customizable, so not only can you edit the content, imagery, and quiz questions, you can also edit your HoloTutor to look and sound how you want, as well as the environment that they're teaching in. You can also make your lesson private, public, or accessible within your organization and categorize it by grade, subject, and category.
Take a look at this image of fossils. Notice that some of them are actual parts of organisms like the tooth and the shell, and some are impressions or traces like the leaf print or the footprint.
And that's not all. You can now create interactive interview experiences with the optional interview lesson feature. Just enter your prompt, and HoloTutor will generate a realistic interview scenario perfect for practicing job interviews, scholarship interviews, or any situation where preparation matters.
Thanks for coming in today. My name is Jordan. Can you briefly introduce yourself?
First, could you introduce yourself and tell me a little about your background and what has brought you to this point in applying for a university scholarship?
What used to take up to 30 minutes now takes as little as 30 seconds. Faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Creator Studio is built to help you focus on what matters most: teaching and learning.